everyone, welcome to Wealth Pulse TV, your go-to channel for remote jobs, personal finance, and make money online tips. If you have been searching for a remote job but feel stuck because you don't have the required experience, today's video is for you. I'm going to show you real paid training remote jobs, how to find them, what salary ranges to expect, and how to search for them on Indeed. And yes, these jobs pay you while they train you. So let's get started. I will break this video into sections from 1 to 6. So you make sure you watch every one section carefully and to the end. Section 1. What are paid training remote jobs? First, let's quickly break down what paid training remote jobs actually are. These are roles where companies hire you with little to no experience and train you while paying a regular salary or hourly wage. This is perfect for career changers, stay-at-home parents, students, or anyone wanting to enter the remote work world without going back to school. Examples of industries that offer paid training: customer service tech support, data entry and operations, insurance and banking, healthcare administration, sales development. These jobs often include 2 to 6 weeks of virtual onboarding, mentorship, and hands-on training. Section 2. Types of paid training remote jobs. 1. Remote customer support representative. These roles often start with 3 to 6 weeks of fully paid training. You learn systems like Zendesk or Salesforce, call scripts, and communication techniques. Pay range $15 to $22 per hour. To remote technical support associate. Tech support jobs frequently provide paid technical training, even if you're a beginner. Companies want problem solvers, not necessarily coders. Pay range $18 to $30 per hour. 3. Remote insurance or banking support. Insurance companies are known for offering some of the most structured paid training programs in the remote work industry. Pay $17 to $25 per hour. Bonus. Many also cover licensing costs. 4. Sales development representative, SDR. These positions often hire beginners and train them on sales tools, scripts, and CRM systems. Pay $40,000 to $60,000 with bonuses. Section 3. How to search for paid training remote jobs on Indeed. Step 1. Search keyword. In the word box, type keywords like paid training remote, remote no experience, work from home training provided, entry-level remote. Then in the where box, simply type remote. Step 2. Apply filters. On the left side, filter by job type, full-time salary. Choose your desired range, experience level, entry-level remote, remote only. Step 3. Sample job posting using Indeed. Here's an example of the type of job you might see. Remote customer support representative, paid training, pay $18 to $20 per hour. Description: except training provided. Work from home 100%, equipment provided. Most of these postings highlight the training schedule and whether equipment is provided. Step 4. Red flags to avoid. Anytime you're searching for remote jobs, especially paid training roles, look out for these red flags. No interview required. Flashing warning icon. Section 4. Companies known to offer paid training. Here are categories of companies that often offer paid training remote jobs. These are examples, not current job openings. but they show you what types of companies to look for. Examples: large call center outsourcing firms, major insurance companies, online banks, tech companies hiring support staff, healthcare administration firms, SaaS startups hiring SDRs. These employers usually run training cohorts multiple times per year and post the openings on Indeed. Section 5: how to stand out when applying. If you're applying for paid training remote jobs, here are tips to stand out even with no experience. 1. Highlight soft skills: communication, problem solving, attention to detail. Customer empathy. 2. Include remote friendly skills: Google Workspace, Zoom, chat, email, communication, basic computer troubleshooting. 3. Now, Tyler, your resume. Use keywords from the job description. Indeed filters look for matches. 4. Use a short, friendly cover letter. Explain why you're switching careers or starting fresh. Section 6: final terms plus encouragement. Remote work is more accessible than ever, and paid training jobs are a great starting point. Remember, you don't need years of experience to get started. Consistency matters. Check Indeed daily, apply quickly, and tailor your resume before each application. If you want me to cover resumes, interview questions, or more remote job websites, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if it helped you.